What's up, all you adventurous minions? I know not everybody can get out and adventure. I'll be your eyes and your ears. I'll take you on an adventure. You never know where we will go. But before we start today's video, remember, smash that subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up. Hit that little bell icon so you know when I got new videos coming out. Guys, ready, set, teleport. And we're back here at this ledge of the bridge. Right there's the river. Check out this boat, guys. Getting pulled by a tugboat. The bridge is up. Check it out, guys. Wow. Walk down here a little bit. Don't want to fall off this. We're up here. Check it out, guys. Going under the bridge, guys. Check it out. Coming out over there. Wow. Let me know in the comments if you guys ever seen anything like this. You got this around your house. Let me know. Check it out. Zoom in on it for you guys. Wow, guys. Little dinghy boat right there. Wow, guys. It's going out over there, guys. Wow, guys. Wow, guys. It's going over there now. That's a big ocean freighter, lake freighter, not an ocean freighter, lake freighter, big lake freighter. Wow, guys. The bridge is still up, drawbridge. Wow, guys. Taping me, taping them. There it goes, guys. Wow, the bridge is going down. Wow, guys. That's pretty cool. There goes the ocean, the lake freighter. Sorry about that. The bridge is going down. Wow. I think that's going to do it for today's video. Quick little video. Something you might not be able to see every day. See you on the next one.